wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. We are the dreamers, come along, you'll see. Wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hi kids, from A to Z, from East to West, I'm Noah, and welcome back to Dream Again! We have a new story to read to you, because soon it's Easter. And that's why we selected an Easter story for you. Are you excited about an Easter story? Yes? I am too. This one is called Easter Surprise. I wonder what type of surprise we'll find at the end of this story. Are you ready? Okay, so why don't we start? The Easter Bunny can be found deep in a worn underground. There you will find Easter Papa, Easter Mama, and all the Eastern kids. They're playing inside, having fun. But not today. Today they must prepare. So they grab all of the Easter eggs they have been collecting for the last few weeks and prepare. They paint them and color them with all types of colors: blue, red, yellow and red, orange, violet. Even some are brown. They all have different colors. And the little bunnies, they even paint nice shapes. Different shapes. Dots and lines. So all eggs look different. Each has its own individual look. Just like snowflakes. But these Easter eggs are special. Yes, they are. They're collected by the Papa Easter Bunny. He looks around and puts them all into his basket. Then he says to his family, "I'm off to deliver eggs to all I see. Just hold on and wait. I will be back again tonight for us all to celebrate our Easter surprise." Oh, there's an Easter surprise. So the bunny hops to the meadow, and his first stop of the day is with the little lambs. "Here you go. I have Easter eggs for you. They're all painted in different colors. They're all for your Easter party." "Thank you for our Easter eggs," the little lambs say. "That is so kind of you. Can we give you a gift in return?" But the bunny says, "No, that's not necessary. But I want to. We all want to, for the Easter eggs you give us." "It's very kind of you," the bunny says. And he hops on. Then he sails on the river. There he meets new friends. The ducks. "Hey, I've got eggs for you too. Can I give you some?" And so he does. He gives them all eggs. The little duck and the big duck and the mama duck and the papa duck. They all get eggs. "That's so kind of you, little bunny." He has shiny eggs for everyone, and they all cheer. But then they say, can we give you something in return? No, the bunny says. This is my gift for you. I must go on to the next animal friends. So the ducks say thank you, and the bunny carries on. There he sees his deer friends. Hi, little ones. I have some shiny eggs for you. The deers look, oh wow, are they beautiful? That's so kind of you. That's so nice. But can we also give you something in return? But the bunny says, no, this is your surprise. And he hops along his way. Then the bunny climbs the tallest tree to where the birds all nest. Owls and the woodpecker and the eagle, all different colorful birds. Hi, little ones, I have eggs for you. The baby bird chirps sweetly, Easter Bunny, you're the best. Even the squirrel gets an egg. That's so kind of you, Bunny. But what can we give to you in return? The bunny says, no, this is your surprise. I must hop on to visit my next friends. And so he does. There, he meets the goose. Hi, goose. I have some eggs for you. But then he realizes, he looks into his basket. Oh no! I've given all the eggs away. I have none for you. The goose smiles. That's okay, little bunny. I have a surprise for you. You do? Why, yes, I do. He says, let's return to the warren. And there I will show it to you. And so the bunny hopped on home and met with Mama Bunny and the kids bunny and said, hey, kids, we have a surprise apparently awaiting us. We must go back to the warren. There, the goose has a surprise. But hold on. For the goose, I didn't have any eggs. Do we still have some left? Why, yes, Mama Bunny said. Here, I have one last one left. Oh, good, Bunny said. We must give it to the goose because to everyone else I gave them, just not to her. So when the bunny family went to the warren, they couldn't believe their eyes. Happy Easter, everyone, the goose shouted. And there were the lambs from the first trip the bunny made. And the duckies, the deers, the birds, the woodpecker, the owl, the eagle, the squirrel. Everyone was there. And the goose had one big Easter egg ready. This is for you, Bunny, and for your family. It's for you to share. Now, the bunny was a little bit sad. But, Goose, I only have one last egg left for you. That's okay, said the goose. We will all share this big one together and be happy. Yes. Well, that's a lovely gift you have given me, Goose. What a wonderful surprise. You're right. We will share and have a happy Easter. To you all, kids out there, I wish you a happy Easter. Good luck hunting for those eggs. Oh, and have fun coloring them. I'm sure we're going to color our own eggs too. Did you see that? Did you see the ones we colored? Olivia loves coloring eggs. Did you see the ones that she colored? It's It's wonderful, isn't it? Well, kids, I wish you a wonderful Easter. Have fun. Enjoy your day. Spend some time with family because that's the best Easter you can have. And share your Easter eggs with everybody, right? Thanks, kids, for watching. I hope you enjoyed that story. I wish you a great Easter time and a great happy Easter. Maybe you will have a surprise too. Good night, little kids. Sleep tight. And always remember to dream again. Bye-bye. Bye. Happy Easter. Happy Easter, everyone. Bye.
Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. They are the dreamers and they love to dream. Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hi there! If you like what you see on Dream Again, please make sure to hit the subscribe button, like us, and comment down below. Thanks!